Hey there, I'm Shishir, captain of team 12808, Revamped Robotics.
What's up? I'm Avdev and I'm the captain of team 12599, Overcharged.
So our teams are going to be participating in a Robot in 30 Hours challenge. And this is where we're going to design, build, and program a robot for this year's Robotics challenge, all in 30 hours. So by the end of this weekend, you guys are going to be able to see a fully functional Robotics bot.
Now, the reason why we decided to do this challenge is so we could give you an insider's perspective of the Spark Technology team's build as well as design processes. On top of that, we see that we provide you an opportunity so you can see some designs and potentially be inspired from them. So maybe you might be using a couple of them on your Robotics robot. One more thing we wanted to mention is that most of our robots building will be out of Actobotics as opposed to our general CNC milling based ideas, mainly because of the time constraints as well as the fact that it's a lot easier to explain the design to you guys at the very end once we're finished with everything. But don't be surprised if you see a couple of custom built parts on our robot.
So here's how our timing is going to run down. For the first 3 hours, we're going to be simultaneously doing some brainstorming for this year's challenge, as well as building a very simple drag train. For the next 5 or 6 hours, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be prototyping using both CAD as well as our Actobotics channels and our Actobotics kit of parts. For the next 15 or so hours, we're going to actually start building. And we're going to do this by splitting into smaller sub-teams so that we can get all of our components done to get that final product out to you. And finally, at the very end, we're going to be programming our autonomous and putting together some final touches so that you guys will be able to see a working Robotics robot.
Now, throughout these 30 hours, every 2 hours, we plan on updating an actual video, specifically regarding a progress update, which you can find on our YouTube channel in the link of this video, the description of this video. And also, at the end of these progress updates, not only will we be showing our robot and the progress that we've had so far, but we'll also be having a Q&A session, where we'll be collecting questions that we've gotten that you can ask us in any of these two ways. The first way is if you're typing it on the Twitch chat, make sure to tag us at SparkTech Education and then ask your question. We will receive notifications for these and we'll be able to collect them for the question and answer period. But the second method is that you can send us an email at sparktechrobotics@gmail.com. And through this, you can ask us for a more in-depth explanation, which will reply based off of either text or in the video itself.
So the reason that we're doing this is to provide everyone with an opportunity to see a Robotics robot. And we really want to focus specifically on rookies. That's why we're making a special segment for rookies so that we can go over the basics of building with Actobotics and understanding the basic design concepts.
So if you wanted to find our social medias, you can find Overcharged Facebook at facebook.com/overchargerobotics. You can find us at our Twitter, which is twitter.com/overchargedftc. And you can find us on our Instagram, which is instagram.com/overcharged.ftc.
And you can find Revamped on Facebook at facebook.com/revampedrobotics, Instagram at instagram.com/revamped12808, and Twitter at twitter.com/revamped12808. Be sure to follow both of our Instagrams because we're going to be posting regular updates both on our accounts as well as on our stories.
So thank you so much for your time. Make sure to tune in and get your questions ready for the Q&A period. And we hope you enjoy.
Thank you so much.